I'm Katie.
I'm Katelyn, and this is Kingsley.
And this is our home.
Well, welcome to our kitchen. This is where the magic happens. I'm a pretend chef in the making, but we do what we do to make it work. It doesn't look like a lot of counter space, but we keep it pretty tidy so that we're able to prep our meals. Storage was a huge thing for us. Even though we're not some Michelin chef, we do have the basic pots and pans, so we wanted to make sure that we had plenty of storage. Down here we have our utensils, kitchen rags, Tupperware, all that fun stuff. Up here it's all spices. We have our mini oven, which actually took quite a bit of an adjustment compared to our old oven. That was a full residential one. Underneath this entire cabinet is full storage for all of our cleaning supplies. Yeah, so originally we had 2 cabinets running all the way across. We wanted to kind of open up that space, make it a little bit more airy. So as you can see, we can still use it as storage. It's where we keep our plates and dishes, and little room for decor. But having like the finer details as a part of this rig is what truly makes it feel like home to us. One of my favorite pieces of this entire rig is actually just this custom trim with the backsplash. It just ultimately makes it pop. So this is actually the shelving and this trim piece are a few of our favorite touches to the rig. Microwave, fridge, freezer all runs off electricity. Our oven runs off of propane, and honestly works great. I'm a huge ice cream lover, so having a decent freezer was top priority. Here we have our pantry, ample space for all the snacks. We have a 2-year-old, so that's important. And then down below is ample space for blender, pots and pans, toaster, griddle, you name it. We found a way to squeeze it in there. So that's our kitchen. So I feel like our dining setting really speaks to the type of home that we wanted to try to create, and that was a cozy, inviting environment that has a little bit of a country feel, but also a little bit of a modern twist. So you'll find a custom-built table with the black, or actually it was originally black, painted white, table legs, all custom made. Ample storage in our bench. That's where we house all of our kitty stuff, kitty litter, kitty food, all that fun stuff. We were able to keep one of my favorite pieces of furniture when we first found out we were pregnant. Was just this antique high chair. So that's pretty special that we're able to tag that along on our ride. Back here, this is our lounger couch, aka grandma's bed. It was kind of a requirement when we said we were going to be, moving from home and living on the road. She needed to make sure that she had her own space. So this is our lounger where all the cuddling happens, and we have crazy amount of storage down below. This is where we house books and toys for our daughter. And then this is where we house but backup sheets, towels, bath belongings, all that fun stuff. In terms of more custom work, this is another favorite piece, all custom made. Keeps it with that country feel. This is a little piece that we added when we were staying in Utah and freezing our butts off. This is actually the perfect size. It heats the entire rig in a matter of 10-15 minutes. And then you have Kingsley's little corner. It's got her toys and her balance board that tucks away nicely. So the original setup of this rig actually had the 2 back bunks. One of our big requests that we were hoping that we could squeeze into this rig was a coffee bar. That is the only way we survive our days, is with a lot of coffee. So we were able to make that happen, which was super exciting. So this wall was originally out here. We were able to push it and give us plenty of additional storage, both up top and down below. This is our junk drawer. No need to go inside of that. But we do have our coffee bar and all of our coffee makings up here. And it's just a great little added space. This is something that I've been wanting to do for years, even before we started dating. You know, I have always wanted to hit the road and, in a sense, not look back. I'm very against what society tells you to do. So, yeah, they tell us to go left, we're going right. But yeah, I think since day one, materials are not crazy important to us. Memories are by far, that's our goal in life, is to create as many memories as we possibly can. So this has allowed for that. I think it's kind of cut the reins, and we feel so free. So this is a dream come true, honestly. And we hope that she could say the same. You know, she has less toys, but her imagination and you just
outdoor experience.
Yeah. She's living her best life, so sure. We're happy. This is our daughter's room. She's 2 and loves having her own space. She has all of her toys, her own little jacket hook, because we're constantly hitting up different states with different temperatures, so it's super nice to have that extra storage space. Ample lighting. Her tiny little bed, which we're really obsessed with. Love the railing for safety purposes, and even have these custom step ladder built in for her so that she can access her bed easily. And again, we were able to carry a few pieces from our old home that we sold to kind of, you know, make it feel even more like us and like our home. This is our bathroom. Plenty of space for the 3 of us. We have, can't really see it, but it's a bathtub, which is super nice for having a toddler and being able to stick her in there and, you know, not have to shove her in a shower. We love it. We love the wallpaper touch, kind of brightens it up. It is the original layout, so no major changes to this room, but we do have plenty of storage underneath, and then we've added these shelves just for the daily items that we use. And it's very nice having this back door option, so when we're outside, we don't have to walk through the entire house, you know, because it's so big. This saves you plenty of time.
So when Katelyn finally convinced me to sell everything, so we were living in a 3-bedroom rancher, and we both had cars that could not pull a rig or anything. So we sold everything out of our house. We sold our house. We bought a truck, and from that point we found this couple, Our Lively Tribe Renovation, that was selling a fully renovated rig, and we fell in love with it, and we were able to give our input as far as wanting doors, as far as wanting a toddler room, all of it. And so we were so blessed to find them on Instagram, and we connected and put in our offer, and here we are.
This is the entry to the master bedroom. Another favorite piece. Who the heck has barn doors in their mobile homes? Well, we are so excited that we actually do. And it's a beautiful piece, custom made by the designers who renovated this rig. We absolutely love it. We are big adventurers, so having the mountain scenery on the door is just a great reminder to get out there and just explore. All right, this is the master bedroom. We absolutely love it. It's super cozy, ample storage down below. Originally, the bed was actually facing this way, and there were 2 small little shelves on the side. And what's really cool, when you turn the bed sideways, you actually gain so much more storage. So that has really worked out. That's where all of our clothes are, and tucked down below here we have our laundry and storage at the end for all our fun little items. And then you have here, this was one of our major requests. We both work from home, so having a desk space where I'm able to do that and also close off the door to eliminate noise was very important. Again, custom made. I think took a while for the designer to figure out how to incorporate this, so this actually drops down so that we're able to access our drawers pretty easily. Plenty of lighting. It's definitely a little cave in here that we absolutely love.
So we started a company. It's called The Lost Locker, and the main part of it is to get lost in your normal. Our normal was something that we've kind of made our motto, or like our go-to saying when anything gets rough, or people tell us we can't do something, or we can't fall in love with each other, or whatever it is. This is our normal, and you can't tell us any differently, and vice versa. We can't tell you what your normal is going to be.
But getting to celebrate that,
yeah.
Like celebrate you, even if you feel abnormal compared to every single person around you.
The black sheep.
The black sheep. Be the black sheep. They're way cooler anyways.
Yeah.
But celebrate you, and even if you feel like you're going against the grain a little bit, push through it and do it.
Yeah. So the Lost Locker is a celebration, and to get lost in your normal, and to get out there and explore, and not to be afraid of those things
what
that
you might find.
Yeah, exactly. Don't be afraid of what you might find.
Yeah, so as a spin-off from the Lost Locker, we have kind of a sister company called the Love Locker, and that celebrates fertility and life, and it's really built to raise awareness for those struggling with fertility, and not just struggling with fertility, but kind of drowning in the financial burden that comes with it.
Yep.
So proceeds from purchases made through the Love Locker are actually going to be given to an organization that helps support families that are in need of some financial assistance when it comes to fertility. And again, it's a way that we can raise awareness for not just the LGBTQ community, but also anybody, like your sister, your next door neighbor. It's out there, it's common, it could be, again, your best friend who's just struggling behind closed doors, and it's why we encourage you not to ask, hey, when's the next kid coming? Because we don't know.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, it's a passion of ours to spread awareness for that, and to really get the conversation going, and to not be afraid of admitting that this is, something that you're struggling with. And we hope that these companies will leave a lasting impression, and when you wear our products, we hope that it just continues to remind you to just go get lost and celebrate it.
Thank you for watching. Please, if you want to see more, check out our Instagram page, Lost in Our Normal. We also have thelostlocker.com to find products and more about our journey together, and fertility issues and financial burdens and all of that.
And if you ever want to meet up with us on the road, we are so open to it. We love a good campfire chat. We've been pretty much stationed in California here for the past 6 months, and we're kind of itching to hit the road again here soon. So we hope to meet you one day and share some good conversation.
A huge thanks to Our Lively Tribe Renovations for this beautiful rig, and for making our why possible.